Another very important topic I want to discuss today is to encourage you to think about who is going to watch your child well before it's needed. Who is watching your baby or kids is very important. Not everybody likes kids. Not everybody is comfortable with caring for kids of any ages, especially our little ones. So what you really want to do is have a network of family or friends that are ready to and willing to help you watch your children. It's important to plan this out ahead of time to give them notice, if possible, when you're going to need them to watch your child. You should make sure the home that you're sending the child to is safe, that there's nothing there that can hurt them, including pets, drugs, other adults, people you don't know. I'd really recommend providing very clear and specific instructions as to what to do and what not to do. For instance, talk to them about the 5 S's. We can talk to them about reading to our kids, talking to our kids, holding them near us, that it's okay to let them cry. And if they do need to put them down because a kid is crying and it's being difficult, to put them in the safe sleep environment, alone, on their back, without pillows or stuffed animals. We also want to remind them never to shake our baby. Let them know that shaking the baby can cause bleeding in the brain, can cause broken bones, and can cause death. I really strongly recommend that when we leave our baby or our children with people, please call them, check in on them, support them. Always, always, always give them an out. Tell them, call me, call my mom, whoever's my support network. We will come. I will leave wherever I'm at to come help take care of the baby. Please put them down on their back. I'll be home soon. Give them the Fussy Baby hotline number. That's 807-805-5437 or 806-243-2229. Thank you.